Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger, and in this video I am going to tell you different types of heading tags. In the last video I have told you how to use an inline CSS tag in HTML code in this video. If you did not see this video, then video is in the I button, you can see it. So let's get started to our video. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time daily. So in the last video we have created a demo website like this. So in this video I am going to tell you how to add different types of heading tags in this video. So let's get started. So here you can see in the last video we have coded a script like this. So here we will show you how to add different types of heading tags. So the first and important tag is h1. So here I will type, I will save it. Here if I refresh this page, here you can see a bigger heading has been shown. So we will see the different types. So the second type is I will save this and I will refresh this page. So here you can see second type of heading has been shown. So I will show you third type of heading. So there are total 6 types of heading. So this is the third one. I will show all that heading step by step. If you want to get the whole knowledge of web designing and HTML code, then subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of the courses online at sitting at home daily. And the last one tag is h6. So these are the 6 types of heading in the HTML language. If you see on the last video, then you can know how to edit it or how to customize it. So I will show one of these. You want to add the style attribute and select whatever you want. So I will choose here color. I will choose color this. So after that I will choose font family. Font family I will choose as monospace. After this I will show font size. I will do it extra large. I will save it. After saving this, refresh this page. So here you can see the font color size has been changed. You can add this code only for all the remaining tags. So I will copy this code. I will paste it here. So now I will refresh this page. So here you can see all size has been become XL. So this was for this video. So for getting the whole knowledge of HTML and web designing, follow us on Instagram, link is given in the below. So thank you for watching this whole video and subscribe our YouTube channel for getting the whole information. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.